In this video we will learn how to draw a perpendicular and bisector to a given line, using the compass. Let's get started. Open the compass with a distance that is greater than half the length of line AB. Now draw an arc using point A as the center. Then with the same radius, draw another arc using point B as the center. After that, do the same in the opposite direction. Now when connecting those 2 points we get a perpendicular and bisector. So the two intersecting arcs must be of the same radius. But it is not necessary to use the same radius for the other two arcs, on the opposite side.